This is the new generation of Brunner fireplaces. Heating sustainable has never been easier. Due to our patented bowl firing system, an extremely clean combustion can be achieved with a single control element. Because emission regulations may become even stricter, our green line is designed for the future and can be raised to the next level at any time with our catalytic converter. Every fireplace of the new series falls below the current limit values, and the new technology means that significantly less wood is used. With the BKH series, you are not only choosing a great design, but also for exceptionally good combustion and lower emissions. Decide now in favor of the future.